पेशेंट ने दवा क्यों ना आपी से?
पेशेंट નું નામ 30 ટેબ્લેટ.
At a call center in Gurgaon, Haryana, a team handling calls from private practitioners and chemists in Gujarat.
20 ટેબ્લેટ 5 દિવસ માટે છે ને, બરોબર.
It's part of an innovative government program to control TB in Gujarat's Mehsana district. Over 800 kilometers away in Kokas village, Mehsana district, the village pujari is making a slow but steady recovery. 60-year-old Bhagwan Giri has multi-drug resistant TB that has a high mortality rate.
आपको वनसेला टीबी जो भारे एमडीआर टीबी है, आपको गुजराती में बोलते हैं वनसेला टीबी, खराब टीबी, पारे टीबी. तो आपको ये दवाई जो आप अभी ले रहे हो वो आपको असर करती नहीं है, तो आपको ये दवाई.
Multi-drug resistant TB, which continues to emerge and spread, is posing to be a major public health challenge. This is his second encounter with TB. He was not cured the first time round because he stopped taking his medicines.
आपने पूरा दवाई क्यों नहीं लिया फिर?
बेना अब मटी गयु कपड़ा मन को मटी गयु, इसलिए
डॉक्टर ने नहीं बोला कि आपको ये पूरा लेना है, पूरा नहीं लेंगे तो टीबी.
બધું કીધું બાપડે, પણ હવે આપણે જીએ ડોક્ટર ને મોઢું બતાઈએ તો બાપડો કહે કે.
Last year, Bhagwan Giri developed a severe cough. He visited 2 private doctors, but they failed to make a correct diagnosis.
પૂજા આપણે કરીએ તો હોરી.
तो प्राइवेट डॉक्टर क्या बोलते थे?
ये तो दवा आले ने पैसा ले ले. हो करे वीर. हो. बस मटा नहीं ना, આપણે धक्का खाते दिए. ये
उन्होंने कभी ये नहीं बोला कि शायद आपको टीबी है,
ना,
आप टीबी के मरीज हैं, ये इतना भी नहीं पता? क्या
प्राइवेट वाला ना बोले.
Bhagwan Giri's case is typical of TB patients who fail to understand the importance of completing their treatment. 10 years ago, he had got TB but failed to finish his 6-month course of treatment. Then late last year, he once again developed TB, this time a multi-drug resistant form that requires a 24-month course of treatment.
Multi-drug resistant TB does not respond to 2 most powerful anti-TB drugs. While it can be cured with long treatments of second-line drugs, these drugs are 100 times more expensive. To control drug-resistant TB, the government has to ensure that every patient gets the right treatment, and more importantly, the treatment is sustained and not interrupted midway. Take 30-year-old Anil, who is a daily wage labor. He began getting treatment from a private practitioner but did not continue because he could not afford the medicines.
ये बताओ कि कितना लिया उसने, प्राइवेट डॉक्टर ने कितना लिया आपसे?
मैं यमदाद जाता था ना, 15 दिन की दवा लेता था ना, यहाँ से 1500 रुपए की दवा होती थी, 1500-1600 की.
In Akhaj village, a 35-year-old shopkeeper who has HIV co-infection with TB. Another serious challenge. In 2013, an estimated 38,000 people who had HIV along with TB lost their lives.
गवर्नमेंट अस्पताल में क्यों गए थे आप? आपको कोई खांसी या
उधरो साफ थी, बोलो उधरो साफ थी, પછી उधरो घर खोलिया करो. उन्होंने बताया कि उनको खांसी आ रही थी और फिर बलगम भी निकल रहा था, और उन्होंने फिर पीएचसी में जाकर जांच कराई बलगम की, और फिर एक्सरे भी निकाला उसका, और फिर उसको टीबी डायग्नोस हो गया. तो यहाँ पर नियर बाय पीएचसी अपना आखा जी, वहाँ पर उसको भेज दिया, और यहाँ से उनका रिकवरी स्टार्ट हो गया.
1 out of every 4 TB patient in the world is in India, and at least half of those are being treated by private doctors. To control TB, private doctors have to be helped and supported to be effective. In August last year, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Central TB Division launched a pilot project in Mehsana to provide free anti-TB drugs to patients who go to private health facilities, the same way patients who go to government facilities are given. This 2-year project is funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. But before it did that, it had to resolve an important difference in the approach of government doctors and private doctors. While government doctors prescribe TB drugs for alternate days, that is, an intermittent regimen, private doctors prescribe a daily regimen of TB drugs. the project decided to support the daily regimen of TB drugs, which according to some trials have a lower relapse rate.
We prefer daily therapy, particularly if a patient has uncontrolled diabetes, renal failure patients, patients of malignancy, those who are on steroids or immunosuppressive drugs, or even HIV patients. In this condition, definitely, or if the disease is extensive, give some supplemented medicine.
Dr. Javed Sheikh, a leading doctor in Mehsana with a busy private practice, is part of the pilot project. The project began with the mapping of private doctors and chemists in the district and holding sensitization meetings with them. Standard operating procedures and a master list of drugs were prepared in consultation with them. Under the project, whenever a patient is diagnosed with TB, the private doctor contacts a call center, giving full prescription details and patient profile. The call center generates a unique voucher number, which is given to the doctor, who writes the number on the prescription. At the chemist shop, this man is collecting medicines for his mother who has TB. The chemist calls the call center. The voucher number on her prescription is validated and the patient is given free drugs for a month at a time.
If the patient is confirmed that he or she has the tuberculosis, then we are explaining the patient for that pilot project. Only the 2 to 3 minutes we have to spend for that call, and one is the voucher number and patient's ID number we are generated, and then we are sending the patients to that pharmacy.
One of the pilot project's biggest successes is the fact that it engages with private practitioners effectively to control TB. Nearly 50% of the private practitioners who treat TB patients are already linked to the project, and those who have come on board have stayed.
Thakur Prahlad Chand Virji, a TB patient, tells us he went to a private doctor because he was afraid of the long queues at a government hospital. He could not take a day off from work.
15-20 दिन हुआ गया, बाद में इधर आया, वधार लगे ना, तो बाद में इधर आया मेरा, अभी अंदर से खून निकलने लगा था।
आपको दवाई कहाँ से मिल रही है अब?
आपके बाजू में दवाखाना, इधर मेडिकल से।
कोई आपको परेशानी हुई दवाई मिलने?
नहीं हुई, सब अच्छा होता है।
केमिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, कुछ पैसा खर्चना पड़ता है?
नहीं खर्चना पड़ता।
जैसे आपका दवाई शुरू हुआ,
हाँ।
आपके पास घर में कोई आया था देखने के लिए?
हाँ, आए थे।
कौन आया था?
दो तीन बार आए, दवा कौन से विषय से भेजता था, अभी मोबाइल में मैसेज भी आता है।
Treatment given by the government hospitals are equally good, but patients, they have some misconcept. So they don't go to civil hospital in spite of our repeated assurance that you will get good treatment. But when they don't go, when we refer them to civil hospital, when they don't go, they are lost in the community. They don't take treatment, they will spread infection. So instead of that, we are giving treatment, and this treatment is made free of cost by our government. So patients are also satisfied that they are consulting private doctors. Patients are regularly taking treatment, and they don't have to pay for the anti-tuberculosis drug, so they are happy.
80 chemists are part of the project, and they say they find the system efficient.
कौन कौन सी मेडिसिन है और आप अपना केमिस्ट आईडी लिखवा देते हैं, तो वहाँ से पता चलता है कि आप कौन सी फार्मेसी में कौन सा केमिस्ट बोल रहे हैं, तो हम वहाँ मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में जो लिखा है वही मेडिसिन हम उसको प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं।
Govind Patel of Al Sife Medical Store has been part of the project for 5 months. 340 TB patients have been to his store for medicines during this period.
फायदा होगा पेशेंट को, और वो भी गरीब पेशेंट को। अभी क्या है, वो पहले पैसे के हिसाब से दवा नहीं ले रहे थे, अभी ये मुफ्त में दवा मिल रही है तो पेशेंट लेते, पूरी दवा लेते। अभी जो वो मेडिसिन की जो रकम होती है उस पर सरकार हमको 3% ज़्यादा दे रही है, वो भी हमारा फायदा है। दूसरा फायदा,
Chemists are selling more drugs because now TB patients are completing their course of treatment. They are also deriving satisfaction from the fact that they are now a part of an important initiative.
Till now, the scheme has covered over 1,400 privately diagnosed TB patients. It has also inspired one hospital to provide free consultation to TB patients. That's after the break.
अहमदाबाद हॉस्पिटल में हम बच्चे के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए गए थे कि बेबी के लिए, क्योंकि अभी बच्चे नहीं हुए अभी, इसीलिए तो उन्होंने कोई छोटा ऑपरेशन बताया था करने के लिए। तो वो ऑपरेशन में उनको अंदर कुछ धब्बे दिखाई दिए, ब्लैक ब्लैक। उन्होंने बोला कि टीबी है, इसीलिए उन्होंने ट्रीटमेंट वो छोड़ दिया।
डेली शाम को ताप आ जाता था, फिर छाती में दुखने का चालू होता है, ऐसा कंटिन्यू होता है। तो मैं सोचे दवा करने गया था डॉक्टर के पास, तो डेली दवा चालू रखा था। उधर 15-20 दिन दवा लिया था, कुछ फर्क फेर नहीं पड़ा। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वो गीता शाह को दिखाया था, वो एक्सरे पढ़ाया था। उस टाइम देख के पूरा बोल दिया तेरे को टीबी हो गया।
In Mehsana, the district TB center is notified of privately diagnosed TB patients through an online system used by the call center.
इसमें उसके 6 महीने से लेकर 9 महीने की जो दवा आती है वो हर पेशेंट को अपने ही बॉक्स में वो डाली जाती है और पूरा कोर्स का वो बॉक्स बनता है जो अलग अलग फेज में आता है, आईपी में आता है, सीपी में आता है।
3 years ago, it was made mandatory for all healthcare providers in the country to report every TB case to the local health authorities. One TB patient can infect 10 more, and it is vital to making India TB free. However, a majority of cases are not being notified.
Does a private practitioner have to notify the government?
I don't think we have any instructions as such. We have never received any instructions. If we receive, we definitely notify them. I'm not aware of it, whether the government wants notification.
So as of now, you are not notifying the government?
No, I'm never notified.
बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं मालूम है। एक बार कोई गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई लेडी आई थी, पर उनसे भी कुछ ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल नहीं पाई। पता नहीं वो सर्वे के लिए शायद आई थी, पर उनको ज़्यादा पता नहीं था।
It is believed that across the country, nearly 10 lakh privately diagnosed TB patients are not notified. It means the government is unable to gather data for planning at the national and state levels. It is also unable to monitor the treatment of these patients to ensure there is no inappropriate or incorrect use of drugs.
We have advertised on newspaper, we have given radio, TV and everything, but at the same time we have one web-based system. We have given ID and password, provision of ID password for all practitioners. They can just contact their district officer and they can give them a password and ID so that they can directly enter the cases in the system. The response was very little because we were dependent on the hard copy and everything, but now in the last few months the number has increased from a few thousand to lakh. Now at this moment I think we have got almost 1.2 lakhs from private sector only.
In Mehsana, the information on TB cases is used for public health action by the district TB center. Treatment supervisors make home visits to explain in detail the implications of the disease and precautions to be taken. If necessary, preventive medicines are given to family members. Efforts are taken at the level of community health centers as well as primary health centers like this one.
पीली साग भाजी खाओ, वो पूरा ही में पेशेंट ने समझाता है, वो पूरी गोली खा के बहुत ठीक हो जाएगा, ये समझाता है।
The district TB officer and the staff have also established a rapport with private doctors, which is striking and hopeful since there is a divide between government and private doctors in most parts of the country. In Keralu block, it has led to the Manav Kalyan General Hospital run by a charitable trust joining hands with the government.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे लोअर मिडिल क्लास पब्लिक है, तो हम लोग सोचा कि हम लोग उनकी कंसल्टे की जो फीस है 30 रुपीज़ भी, वो हम लोग नहीं लेंगे, जिससे एक मार्केट अवेयरनेस हो यहाँ पे कि भाई यहाँ पे टीबी पेशेंट जाता है, उनको एक प्राइवेट में अच्छी फैसिलिटी मिलती है और उसका एक्सरे करना पड़ता है, तभी हम लोग डायग्नोस कर पाते हैं कि पेशेंट को टीबी है या नहीं। तो हम लोग ने उसके भी कोई चार्ज नहीं रखे हैं। हम लोग ने सर मैडम एक पूरा उसका लिस्ट बनाया हुआ है कि जो पेशेंट फर्स्ट डे से आया है उसको 30 डेज कभी होते हैं, 30 डेज के बिफोर 25 डेज ये हम लोग भी कॉल करते हैं, और जो अपने टीबी हॉस्पिटल से और जो उनका स्टाफ है वो भी उनके घर पे जाता है स्पेशली वेरीफाई करने के लिए कि 1 मंथ हो गया, वो बंदा वापस गया था कि नहीं गया था हॉस्पिटल में, उसने दवाई ली है कि नहीं ली है। अभी एक जॉइंट एफर्ट्स है, हैंड टू हैंड।
अकेले गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर सकता, कोई भी स्कीम हमको भी सपोर्ट करना ही पड़ेगा। गवर्नमेंट
प्लानिंग तो कर देती है पर हमको सपोर्ट उनको करना ही पड़ेगा।
The pilot project will provide a better estimation of the disease burden. However, there needs to be greater emphasis on achieving patients' adherence to treatment. Clearly, it has to be about helping the patients in different ways. There is also no component to ensure early detection of cases. One way could be through mass awareness campaigns like this one.
2 हफ्ते से ज्यादा अगर आपको खांसी रहा है तो टीबी हो सकता है। टीबी? हाँ, तुरंत डॉक्टर से मिलिए और बलगम की जांच कराइए। ठीक है। टीबी किसी को भी हो सकता है।
One way could be through mass awareness campaigns like this one.
नहीं किया तो इसका इलाज बहुत मुश्किल है।
Let's come down to mass awareness. You know how expensive the media buying is today. We have a campaign of 3 crore for 15 days only. How many campaign we can afford to? How many campaign afford from domestic budgeting? Partners, I think they should come forward. They should do these things for us.
Currently, there are similar projects in Patna and Mumbai. If all states and districts are involved, the project can help reduce the number of new TB cases as well as the emergence of multi-drug resistant TB. Nearly 20 lakh new TB cases are detected each year. The disease is fully curable with modern anti-TB treatment, yet it kills nearly 2.5 lakh people annually.
In the 8 months since the Mehsana pilot project was launched, there has been a visible and positive impact. It is hoped that the project will be taken to the next level, its services expanded and adopted in different parts of the country.